Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're someone who's always on the go or struggles to find time to prepare nutritious meals, then smoothies can be a game changer for your health. Not only are they quick and easy to make, but they're also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body needs to function at its best. Whether you're a smoothie newbie or a seasoned pro, we've got you covered with today's video. We've scoured the internet and put together a list of the top 10 healthy smoothie recipes that are not only delicious but also provide a wide range of health benefits. From fruity and refreshing to chocolatey and indulgent, there's something for everyone in this list. So, without further ado, grab your blender and let's get started on this smoothie journey together. 1. Banana Berry Smoothie. This smoothie is a classic and a perfect choice for anyone who loves fruity flavors. Not only is it delicious, but it's also incredibly healthy. The frozen mixed berries are a great source of antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. The banana adds a creamy texture and is a good source of potassium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Greek yogurt provides protein, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, while almond milk is a great dairy-free alternative that's low in calories and high in nutrients. To make this smoothie, simply blend together a cup of frozen mixed berries, 1 ripe banana, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, and 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk until smooth. If you like your smoothie sweeter, you can add a drizzle of honey or a few drops of stevia. This smoothie is perfect for breakfast or as a post-workout snack, and it's a great way to start your day off on the right foot. 2. Green Smoothie. For those who want to get their greens in, this smoothie is a great option. Leafy greens are packed with nutrients like vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber, which can help support digestion and overall health. Cucumber adds a refreshing taste and is a good source of hydration, while avocado adds healthy fats and creaminess. Banana adds natural sweetness, making this smoothie delicious and easy to drink. To make this smoothie, blend together a cup of spinach, 1/2 a cucumber, 1/2 an avocado, 1 ripe banana, and 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk until smooth. You can add ice if you prefer a colder smoothie. If you want to add more protein, you can add a scoop of your favorite protein powder or a tablespoon of chia seeds. This smoothie is perfect for those who want to sneak in some extra greens into their diet or for anyone looking for a refreshing and healthy snack. 3. Turmeric Ginger Smoothie. Turmeric is a spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This smoothie combines the power of turmeric with ginger, another anti-inflammatory ingredient, and pineapple, which contains digestive enzymes that can help support gut health. Coconut milk adds healthy fats and creaminess, while banana adds natural sweetness. To make this smoothie, blend together 1 cup of frozen pineapple chunks, 1 ripe banana, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1/2 cup of unsweetened coconut milk, and 1/2 cup of water until smooth. You can add a drizzle of honey if you prefer a sweeter smoothie. This smoothie is a great option for anyone looking to support their immune system or reduce inflammation in the body. It's also a great option for anyone looking to switch up their usual smoothie routine with something a little more exotic. 4. Chocolate Peanut Butter Smoothie. If you're a fan of chocolate and peanut butter, then this smoothie is for you. This smoothie is not only delicious but also provides a good balance of macronutrients, protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. The chocolate provides a boost of antioxidants, while the peanut butter adds healthy fats and protein. Banana adds natural sweetness and creaminess, making this smoothie taste like a milkshake. To make this smoothie, blend together 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, and 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk until smooth. You can adjust the amount of peanut butter and cocoa powder to your liking. If you prefer a sweeter smoothie, you can add a drizzle of honey or a few drops of stevia. This smoothie is a great option for a midday snack or as a post-workout recovery drink. However, because it is higher in calories and sugar than some of the other smoothies on this list, it's important to consume it in moderation as part of a balanced diet. 5. Mango Coconut Smoothie. If you're a fan of tropical flavors, then this smoothie is a great option. Mango is a great source of vitamin C and fiber, while coconut milk provides healthy fats and creaminess. Greek yogurt adds protein, while lime juice adds a refreshing tang. To make this smoothie, blend together 1 cup of frozen mango chunks, 1/2 cup of unsweetened coconut milk, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, the juice of 1 lime, and 1/2 cup of water until smooth. You can add a drizzle of honey if you prefer a sweeter smoothie. This smoothie is a great option for a refreshing snack or as a post-workout drink, and it's a great way to add some variety to your smoothie routine. 6. Apple Pie Smoothie. Who says you can't have dessert for breakfast? This smoothie is a healthy take on apple pie that is perfect for a quick breakfast or a post-workout snack. Apples are high in fiber and antioxidants, while Greek yogurt provides protein and creaminess. Cinnamon and nutmeg add delicious warm flavors, and almond milk gives the smoothie a nutty undertone. To make this smoothie, blend together 1 medium-sized apple, peeled and sliced, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk until smooth. You can add a few ice cubes if you prefer a thicker smoothie. This smoothie is a great option for a healthy and satisfying breakfast or snack that will leave you feeling energized and satisfied. 7. Kale Pineapple Smoothie. This smoothie is a great option for anyone looking to add more greens to their diet. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Pineapple adds natural sweetness and contains digestive enzymes that can help support gut health. Greek yogurt provides additional protein and creaminess, while ginger adds a hint of spice. To make this smoothie, blend together 1 cup of kale leaves, 1 cup of frozen pineapple chunks, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and 1/2 cup of water until smooth. You can add a drizzle of honey or a few drops of stevia if you prefer a sweeter smoothie. This smoothie is a great option for breakfast or as a midday snack, and it's a great way to sneak in some extra greens without sacrificing flavor. 8. Cherry Chia Smoothie. This smoothie is a great choice for anyone looking for a boost of antioxidants and fiber. Cherries are a great source of antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties that can help support overall health. Chia seeds add fiber, protein, and healthy fats, while unsweetened almond milk provides a dairy-free base. To make this smoothie, blend together 1 cup of frozen cherries, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, and 1/2 cup of water until smooth. You can add a drizzle of honey or a few drops of stevia if you prefer a sweeter smoothie. This smoothie is a great option for a refreshing snack or as a post-workout drink, and it's a great way to add some extra nutrients to your diet. 9. Oatmeal Raisin Cookie Smoothie. Another dessert-inspired smoothie. This one tastes just like oatmeal raisin cookies. Oats provide fiber and healthy carbohydrates that can help keep you full, while raisins add natural sweetness and a boost of antioxidants. Almond milk provides a dairy-free base, and vanilla extract and cinnamon add delicious flavor. To make this smoothie, blend together 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1/4 cup of raisins, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon until smooth. You can add a few ice cubes if you prefer a thicker smoothie. This smoothie is a great option for a healthy dessert or snack, and it's a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth while still getting in some important nutrients. 10. Blueberry Lemon Smoothie. Last but not least, this smoothie is a great choice for anyone who loves the flavor combination of blueberry and lemon. Blueberries are a good source of antioxidants and vitamin C, which can help support immune health. Greek yogurt provides protein and creaminess, while lemon juice adds a refreshing and tangy flavor. Honey can be added as a natural sweetener. To make this smoothie, blend together 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of honey, optional, until smooth. You can add more or less honey depending on your preference for sweetness. This smoothie is a great option for a refreshing breakfast or snack, and it's a great way to add some extra nutrients to your diet while enjoying the delicious flavor combination of blueberry and lemon. That concludes our list of the top 10 healthy smoothies. Whether you're looking for a refreshing breakfast, a post-workout drink, or a healthy dessert, these smoothies are sure to satisfy your cravings while providing your body with essential nutrients. Remember, you can always customize these smoothies to your liking by adding or subtracting ingredients. Feel free to experiment with different fruits, vegetables, and protein sources to find the perfect combination for your taste buds and health goals. Thanks for watching, and we hope you try out some of these delicious and nutritious smoothie recipes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness content.